Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a collection of enemy battlers by Ujie Masara, a pack of 10 nostalgic music tracks by JD Sherbert, an MV plugin by Gabriel Nascimento that allows us to disable or enable the title screen with a plugin command, another MV plugin by Gabriel Nascimento that adds a game shutdown command to title and menu screen, an MV and MZ plugin by Gerald and Kino that allows having multiple splash screens, and we can have the player transition through them by clicking, an MV and MZ plugin by Mika and Hako that corrects game time to not be dependent on frames, an MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that allows us to create enemies and equipments that can absorb and heal on certain elemental attacks, another MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that expands the scope of targeting so we can attack our allies and heal our enemies, an MZ plugin by Cursed Steven that allows us to save actor stats so we can load them later, an MZ plugin by Orochi Zoveliki that randomizes the pan, pitch and volume of all the sounds in our game, an MZ plugin by Coelocanth that allows using bitmap fonts. Next we have 3 MZ plugins by Gerald, a plugin that allows us to customize the HP and MP bars, a plugin that allows more control and customization of skills through node tags, and lastly a plugin that adds a casting bar when using time progress battles. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.